Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Funmi. If you're new, thank you for joining me on this video. So I will be sharing with you tips and ways I get my foundation to last all day. Trust me, they're not so difficult. They're just little things that you may have been missing that's been causing your foundation to slip or not last all day. So first thing I would like to say is to clean your face. I know it sounds like yeah, that's what I'll normally do, but what I mean is after taking off all the makeup, maybe you just had a shower and all of that, that's all well and good, but you know what people tend to do is use their body cream on their face, and usually these body creams have oils in them, and then they put their foundation on top of the body cream that has oil in it, and then in like an hour the oil seeps through the foundation and the makeup doesn't last all day. So usually that's what happens. So the first thing I will say is clean your face. That includes your body cream. Anything you put in your face that's not supposed to be there, just take it off. That's the reason why we have moisturizers for your face. So the one I used in this video is the B one by Superdrug. It's a Superdrug brand. It's a post-shave balm or something like that, but you can use any moisturizer that's not oil based. You don't want oils to seep through your foundation. You're setting yourself kind of up for failure in that sense, so we don't want to do that. So definitely clean your face, moisturize, not with your body cream. Please moisturize your face with a cream that's meant for the face. Okay, so the next thing I do is I go in my foundation. I have decided not to cut any part of the foundation process, although I sped it up. It's just obviously to save time, but you can see that I'm going in circular motions. I always like to use a kabuki brush to apply my foundation because I get the most coverage out of the foundation, and also it gives me a very smooth base, and I don't get to waste product. I usually I don't know how people do it when they use the sponges, but every time I use a sponge, it soaks up product for me, so I don't like using sponges. I applied 2 layers of foundation in this video because I was going for that look. I wanted it to be like full coverage. Okay, you don't need to do this. The first layer is totally fine. I just wanted to be extra. So this is the second tip. A lot of people want full coverage and they think full coverage means putting a pile of foundation on. No, because that's just going to cause cakiness. It is going to slip off. So in between the layers, what I did was I waited for the first layer to completely dry, and then I went in with the second one. So if you want to go full coverage, I would advise, if full coverage is your thing and your everyday thing, go for actual full coverage foundation, so you don't have to go in with too many layers of foundation. You can find those in MAC, Maybelline, NARS, Huda Beauty, Makeup Forever products. Those are really good for you. So if you're looking for full coverage, I will suggest for you to get actual full coverage foundations instead of piling on layers and layers of foundation. So the next thing I do is the usual. I went in with concealers. I used 2 concealers, the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Fawn, and I also used the Makeup Revolution Concealer and Define in the shade C13.5. I used that on the outer edge and the Fawn on the inner corner, so near my nose, the bridge of my nose. So I'm going in with my beauty sponge now to blend that in. Now the beauty sponge is very important for it to be damp in order for you to get this smooth base. So you do need to get it damp, not wet, damp, and push in the product, and be very patient with yourself whilst you're doing this. The third tip I would like to share with you to ensure a long-lasting makeup base is for you to use setting powder as soon as you use your concealer, or all over your face, just to set your cream products in place. Today I'm going to be showing you 2 setting powders that I use. The first one is from Essence. It's the Gin Proof Waterproof Fixing Powder. When I tell you this thing makes my makeup stay all day, it's actually true. It's truly gin proof, waterproof, it's affordable, it's lightweight, and you can use it whether you're dark skin or you're light skin. So it's not really about, you know, it's only for white people or for black people. No, everyone can use it literally if you use it properly. You want to make sure you're pushing the powder into your skin and not just rubbing over the skin. You're pushing it in to pack it in. It doesn't give a cast or anything, so don't be worried when you're using this powder. Now I went in with my second setting powder, which is a Sacha Buttercup powder. I actually do like this powder. I've been using it for so many years, and yeah, it's just, you know, my go-to. It also gives a matte finish, so you do want to just put this on for a second kind of protection, so that the sweat doesn't peek through your foundation base. Now I'm just going to carry on with the rest of my makeup, do my brows now. If you want to see a dedicated brow tutorial, I already have that on my channel, so I'll just put a link up there for you to click on and just watch how I do my brows. I think the brow tutorial is quite easy to follow. If you have any questions, please do link it down below. I will be very glad to answer your questions. Like I said, I'm here to serve you guys, so if you want me to address any topics or anything you've seen in this video that you'd like me to talk about, please do put that in the comment section below. So I'm just going to do the rest of my makeup, and yeah, I'll catch you soon. So I'm just doing the final touches. I'm highlighting the rest of my face. Now to lock your makeup in place, you want to use a good setting spray. This is a Morphe continuous setting mist. It helps to melt those powders in your skin, so you don't have that cakey powdery look when someone sees you up close. So that's the reason why we use a setting spray. You want to get a good setting spray that melts the powders into your skin, so that when someone sees you up close, they're not seeing powder and cake they're literally seeing skin. Okay, so yeah, and that's it for the tutorial today, or will I say tips video. So yeah, I mean, I hope you learned a thing or two. If you did enjoy this video, please like and subscribe to this channel, share with your friends. Until next time, I'll see you in another video. Bye now.